Oh hey, thank you for tuning in to another video. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls. Now, today I am going to show you how I styled my daughter's hair. This is my youngest daughter, Kaliyah. I love to do braids because braids is a style that lasts longer on her hair and my oldest, so let's get to it. Now, I always start by wetting her hair and detangling. Today I am using Uniqurl's Aloe and Coconut Leave-In Detangler. This product is very moisturizing, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to check the links down below because I've used it on myself and on my oldest daughter as well. After prepping her hair, it is definitely time to box braid her hair, or I would say individually braid it. Now, this is a simple style in the back. It is nothing complicated. I just part her hair and I just braid her hair all the way to the end and just curl her ends with my fingers. Now that her braids are officially done, I'm taking a little bit more product and adding it to the sides of her hair. I slick it down with a brush and it keeps it down nice and smooth. If this is your first video, my youngest has been pulling her hair out. However, I have been doing a few steps that has worked and her hair is definitely growing back. So now to move on to the top section of her hair, I'm going to repeat the same steps as you saw earlier. Add product, add a little bit of water, and detangle with a wide tooth comb. So to explain what I did in a simple way, I created this part and I'm braiding it straight back. Now I am creating another part to the right of that, and as I braid, I'm going to actually take some hair out. And you will see that right now, but in a fast version. You will better see what I did in this clip right here. So I still cornrowed her hair, but I took some pieces out and you will see why. So I created another third braid to the left of that middle braid and did the exact same thing. And all I'm doing now is just taking the first half of that sections of hair and just braiding it straight across. With this second section of hair, I am doing the exact same thing, and as you guys can see, I am using the hair that I left out and braiding it across. The idea was more so of a tic-tac-toe. This is the first time I ever tried this hairstyle. I had it in mind and wanted to see how it would look, and I'm gonna just continue showing you what this clip looks like and what the third clip looks like also. And this is what her braids look like in the front. Now, to lay down those edges, I'm just using a little bit more of the Uniqurl product and just using the toothbrush to just lay down her hairs. Isn't she adorable? Now you can definitely leave the hair just like this, but I definitely wanted to use up the rest of my Gemini Naturals Midnight color and just make her braids pop a little bit more. So I added some of the temporary vegan color gel to her hair. I added some to different parts of her braids and also to her ends. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. It's nice and short. Make sure to drop some love, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, check out all the other videos I have on my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you are always notified as soon as I upload another one. Peace and love. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Positive vibes. Catch you later.